Yeah, we actually have one day uh, to prepare for the semi-finals. Of course, here and there you get injuries because like the games have been coming too fast because of the way the league is ending. Towards the end, the games tend to come very fast. So, but in the season you prepare for all that. Of course, we have had a lot of injuries, mainly at the back, in the defense, but we are trying to deal with that. Dudu is maybe 40%. Asaja has just come back. Maganda is still next season. Nyakojo is 60%. Senkaba is out, our top scorer in this cup. He has a knee injury. He will not be around for this fixture. Maybe towards the end of the season, maybe next season. Jude is half fit. We have a lot of injuries, but we are trying to deal with it. But there's nothing like an excuse. It's all about setting a team and setting a team that can really come and represent us very well come Saturday.